Good evening everyone. My name is Rupali Thorat and my today's topic is urinary system. Urinary system is also known as renal system. Is the one of the body's vital system responsible for removing waste product, maintaining water and electrolyte balance and regulating blood pressure. It plays a major role in homeostasis, meaning it helps keep the internal environment of the body stable and healthy. Main function of the urinary system: excretion of waste product, regulation of water balance, electrolyte balance, acid-base balance, regulation of blood pressure, erythropoietin secretion, detoxification, vitamin D activation. Organs of urinary system: two pairs of kidney, two pairs of ureters, one single urinary bladder, one urethra. First is kidney. Location: two bean-shaped organ located on either side of the spine, just below the rib cage, behind the peritoneum and retroperitoneal position. The right kidney is slightly lower due to the liver. Size: about 10 to 12 cm long, 5 to 7 cm wide and 2 to 3 cm thick. Structure: renal cortex. Renal cortex is the outer layer containing nephron and blood vessels. Renal medulla, inner layer made of linear pyramids. Linear pelvis, funnel shaped structure that collects urine and lead to the ureter. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney has about 1 million of nephron. The nephron consists of glomerulus, a network of capillaries and filters blood. Bowman's capsule collect the filtered fluid. Tubules: proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, collecting duct. Main function of the kidney: filtration of blood, reabsorption of useful substances like glucose, amino acid, water, secretion of waste into urine, excretion of urine. Ureters: two thin tubes about 25 to 30 cm long that carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. The walls of ureter have a smooth muscles that pushes urine downward by the peristaltic movement. Ureters enter the bladder at an angle to prevent urine flowing backward. Urinary bladder, a hollow muscular organ that stores urine before it is excreted, can hold around 400 to 600 ml of urine. Structure: diastole muscle, the main muscle of the bladder wall that contracts during urination. Internal urethral sphincter, involuntary muscle that keeps urine from leaking. External urethral sphincter, voluntary control muscle for urination. When the bladder fills, stress receptor sends signal to the brain, leading to the micturition reflex. Urethra, a narrow tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. Male urethra, longer 20 cm, passes through the penis and also carries semen. Female urethra, short 4 cm, opens just in front of the vaginal opening. Helps in voluntary control of urination. Process of urine formation. Urine formation occurs in 3 main steps. First is glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion. Glomerular filtration: blood enters the glomerulus under high pressure. Water and small solute like glucose, salt, urea are filtered into Bowman's capsule. This filtrate is called as glomerular filter. Tubular reabsorption: useful substances like glucose, amino acid and water are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream from the PCT, loop of Henle and DCT. Tubular secretion: additional wastage like hydrogen ion, potassium ion and drugs are secreted into the tubule from blood. And then final product is urine. Urine excretion: urine process through collecting duct, renal pelvis, ureter, bladder, urethra outside of the body. Hormonal control of the kidney function. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, aldosterone, atrial natriuretic peptide. Common disorder of urinary system. First is urinary tract infection, kidney stone, renal failure, etc. Thank you.